Imagine a fleet of eyes in the sky, watching, learning, acting. This isn't science fiction, this is the reality of AI-powered drones. These machines are changing the world as we know it. And Pakistan is at the forefront of this revolution with Project AIQ. This ambitious program is developing cutting-edge drones that can think for themselves. Drones that are transforming Pakistan's technological landscape. Picture this. A farmer in rural Pakistan is struggling with his crops. He doesn't know what's wrong, but his livelihood depends on a good harvest. Suddenly, a drone appears overhead. It scans the field, analyzing the health of the crops. Within minutes, the farmer receives a message on his phone. The message details the problem and suggests solutions. This is the power of Project AIQ. Project AIQ is about more than just agriculture. These drones have the potential to revolutionize everything from disaster relief to national defense. They can access hard-to-reach areas, provide real-time intelligence, and even carry out precision tasks. This is a game-changer for Pakistan, a country facing diverse challenges. But Project AIQ is not just about technology, it's about hope. Hope for a brighter future. A future where Pakistan is a leader in the world of AI and drone technology. A future where these advanced tools are used to solve real-world problems and improve the lives of ordinary people. What makes Project AIQ so special? It's the AI, of course. Artificial intelligence gives these drones abilities far beyond their predecessors. They can analyze data, identify patterns, and make decisions, all without human intervention. This makes them incredibly versatile and effective. In agriculture, AIQ drones can monitor crop health, identify pests and diseases, and even optimize irrigation. This means higher yields, less waste, and a more sustainable approach to farming. For a country like Pakistan, where agriculture is a cornerstone of the economy, this is a game changer. Disaster management is another area where AIQ drones are making a real difference. They can be deployed rapidly to assess damage, locate survivors, and deliver essential supplies. In the event of an earthquake, flood, or other natural disaster, these drones can be the difference between life and death. Of course, no discussion of advanced drone technology would be complete without mentioning defense. AIQ drones have the potential to revolutionize the way Pakistan defends its borders and protects its interests. They can provide real-time surveillance, gather intelligence, and even carry out targeted operations with incredible precision. The impact of Project AIQ extends far beyond the immediate applications of the technology. It represents a bold step forward for Pakistan, a country with a young and vibrant population eager to embrace the future. This project is not just about building drones, it's about building a knowledge economy. Pakistan has a long and proud history of scientific and technological innovation. Project AIQ is a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of Pakistani scientists and engineers. It is a sign that Pakistan is ready to take its place on the global stage as a leader in cutting-edge technologies. The development of AIQ is also fostering collaboration and partnerships, both domestically and internationally. Universities, research institutions, and private companies are coming together to develop the technology and explore its potential. This collaborative spirit is essential for driving innovation and ensuring that the benefits of AIQ are shared widely. Moreover, Project AIQ is inspiring a new generation of Pakistanis. Young people are excited about the possibilities of AI and drone technology, and they are eager to contribute to this burgeoning field. This enthusiasm is essential for ensuring that Pakistan continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. Section 4, AIQ in the global arena. The development of AI-powered drones is not just a national issue, it is a global phenomenon. Countries around the world are investing heavily in this technology, recognizing its potential to reshape the economic, military, and geopolitical landscape. The United States and China are widely seen as the leading players in the field of AI and drone technology. However, Project AIQ demonstrates that Pakistan is a serious contender, capable of developing world-class technology. This is significant because it challenges the existing technological hierarchy and opens up new possibilities for collaboration and competition. The rise of AI-powered drones also raises important ethical and strategic questions. For example, there are concerns about the potential for these autonomous weapon systems to lower the threshold for conflict or to be used in ways that violate international law. It is essential that Pakistan engages in international dialogue and cooperation to address these crucial issues. By working with other countries, Pakistan can help to shape the rules and norms governing the development and use of AI-powered drones, ensuring that this powerful technology is used responsibly and for the benefit of all. Section 5. A future forged in innovation. The future is unwritten, but one thing is clear. AI-powered drones are here to stay. Project AIQ is a powerful symbol of Pakistan's commitment to embracing the future and harnessing the power of technology to address its most pressing challenges. This is a time of great excitement and even greater potential. As Project AIQ continues to evolve, it will undoubtedly lead to new discoveries, new applications, and new possibilities that we can only begin to imagine. What will the future hold for Project AIQ? How will this game-changing technology shape Pakistan's destiny in the years to come? These are questions for all of us to ponder. The future is in our hands. Let's work together to ensure that AI-powered drones are used to build a brighter, more prosperous, and more peaceful world.